Hello Libra, welcome to Bloom of Divinity for your fortnightly reading. Let's start the reading. So the first card is for the advice for at work or career. The second is the guidance for financial decisions that to be made. The third is in the terms of relationships, and the fourth card is in the terms of fortnight in general. Along with this, the emotional guidance for this fortnight. So the cards that have come up for you this fortnight are Nine of Pentacles for work and career, Four of Pentacles in terms of financial guidance, and Five of Swords in terms of relationships, Ace of Swords in terms of fortnight in general, and the emotional guidance card that has come for you is Frustration. In terms of work and career, what you need to do is you need to make your decisions independent. So whether whatever you are doing, do not depend on a lot of people. You have to have complete trust in your abilities, your skill, and you have a lot of potential and chances of making good success in that workplace that you are right now. And you need to be very caring also. You need to be humble. You cannot show that attitude. You not cannot be very arrogant at workplace. You need to, you although you have to make the decisions yourself, but you have to be compassionate, and you need to consider the needs and the requirements of the other people. So it's not that you just like are completely ignoring the fact that the organization is paying you or your work matters. Even if in case if you are in business, you cannot be at the leisure, or you cannot just be enjoying yourself, but you need to work. You need to see and ensure that whatever time that you are spending at your work, you are justifying that stay, you are justifying the money that is being spent upon you. For the financial advice, the card is Four of Pentacles. So, Four of Pentacles over here is saying that hold on to what you have. Do not lose what the options that are there in your hand. And if in case you have to make any financial decision this fortnight, I would suggest you to stay put on that. Don't make that decision. Don't just shell out your money. So hold on tight to whatever you have right now in case if you are looking for investment, because a better opportunity is going to come. Whatever options that you are having right now, you are going to get a better option so that you can invest your money in a better way, which will yield you better. In terms of relationship, the card is Five of Swords. Five of Swords over here is saying that you need to realize that certain things do not play games. Don't Life is not fair everywhere. So you need to realize that at certain points, like the person might have that momentary victory, but in case what you have learned from that situation, that dispute that occurred in the relationships, is like you became more sensible. You became more wise in what how to deal with people, whom to trust and whom not to trust with. So that wisdom, that strength is there in you. So you know when what is the time when you need to walk away from things. So you need to be clear on that also, and do not pick up any unnecessary fights with anybody. So if anybody is arguing with you or is fighting with you, you know what you should know, what when it's the time to shut your mouth. So be close, be careful on that. So for fortnight in general, the card is Ace of Swords. A lot of situations, things are going to get cleared this fortnight. There were some doubts on how things are going to happen in future. So right now, things are like a little in the air, but a lot of clarity is going to come to you this fortnight. But the emotional card that is coming as in the guidance for you is you need to watch your frustration. Do not let your frustration get heavy on like overpower you in any terms of areas of life, be it the career, finance, or relationships, or your social interactions with anybody. How you do you feel this fortnight? That should not be frustrated. Like, you need to show people that whatever happened, I am not frustrated with this situation. I am a winner, and I know how to do survive whatever life throws at me. I am a winner. I am a survivor. So you need to shed off all the frustrations that you have in life. So those are the cards for you, Libra. Enjoy your fortnight.